XRP News, Ripple faces 55% crash risk. Amid Trump summit begins now on Crypto News Today. Before we get to it, give this video a like, and if you can subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Welcome to our detailed examination of XRP's precarious position as of March 7, 2025, where the cryptocurrency faces a potential 55% price crash if its inclusion in the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve falters, amid pivotal developments unfolding at today's White House Crypto Summit. Today, XRP is trading at $2.50, down 4.83% in the last 24 hours, as investors brace for outcomes from the summit that could determine whether Ripple joins Bitcoin in the government's reserve strategy or remains sidelined indefinitely. We're unpacking the expert analysis behind XRP's bearish technical patterns, the implications of President Trump's recent executive order prioritizing Bitcoin, and the broader market dynamics influencing Ripple's fate as the crypto industry watches this historic day unfold with bated breath. This analysis comes as XRP has lost its November 2024 momentum, entering a technical bear market after dropping 25% from its yearly high, while Bitcoin's surge past $90,000 highlights a stark contrast in market sentiment as of this morning. XRP reached a peak of $3.41 in January 2025. Fueled by optimism over its potential role in the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve, but has since retreated to $2.50, reflecting a loss of bullish steam as regulatory and policy uncertainties mount. On March 2nd, President Trump announced plans for a reserve including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. Yet his executive order signed yesterday established only a strategic Bitcoin reserve, casting doubt on XRP's inclusion and sending ripples of concern through the market today. Expert analysts note that XRP has formed a head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart, with a neckline at $2, signaling a potential drop to $1.62, a 35% decline if support fails in the wake of today's summit outcomes. Should XRP breach the $1.62 level, forecasts suggest a further plunge to $1.13, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, representing a 55% crash from its current $2.50 as traders anticipate. The White House Crypto Summit today, attended by industry leaders like Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, is expected to clarify the reserve's scope, yet analysts remain skeptical that XRP will secure a spot, given Trump's focus on Bitcoin as a geopolitically neutral asset akin to gold. Polymarket odds with $450,000 in assets peg XRP's reserve inclusion at just 29%, reflecting pessimism as the summit unfolds, while Bitcoin's reserve status boosts its price to $91,651 currently. Analyst Willy Woo has argued that a strategic XRP reserve is impractical, asserting that no country would buy US-controlled XRP, unlike Bitcoin, which he views as the only neutral asset suitable for a reserve, a sentiment echoed by other experts ahead of today's discussions. Tyler Winklevoss has similarly dismissed XRP, Solana, and Cardano for lacking the hard money characteristics of gold or Bitcoin, suggesting that only proven stores of value should qualify for a reserve, further dimming XRP's prospects as the summit approaches its conclusions. Congressional approval poses another hurdle, as Trump would need a House majority and 60 Senate votes to expand the reserve beyond Bitcoin, a challenging feat in a divided legislature that could leave XRP excluded and vulnerable to a sharp price correction soon. On the upside, polymarket odds of nearly 80% suggest the SEC might approve an XRP spot ETF, and a potential end to the Ripple lawsuit could bolster demand, offering a counterbalance to the reserve's uncertainty as investors weigh these factors today. Technical analysis reveals XRP slipping below the 23.6% Fibonacci level at $2.73. Hovering near the 50-day moving average, with a bearish breakdown looming unless summit news shifts sentiment dramatically in Ripple's favor. Bitcoin's rally to $91,651, up 5% since Trump's tariff delay on March 6, contrasts with XRP's decline, as the broader market gains 2%, yet altcoins like Ripple struggle to ride the wave of renewed risk appetite currently. Trump's decision to delay 25% tariffs on Canadian and Mexican auto imports has weakened the US dollar to its lowest since November, fueling Bitcoin's surge, while leaving XRP at $2.50, underscoring a split in crypto market performance today. The executive order leverages seized Bitcoin assets for the reserve, a move praised by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong as historic, though its exclusion of new XRP purchases has disappointed traders hoping for a broader government buy-in to altcoins like Ripple as of now. Analysts warn that without reserve inclusion, XRP's head and shoulders pattern could trigger a drop to $1.13, a 55% fall, especially if the summit fails to deliver bullish news for Ripple amidst Bitcoin's dominance in the spotlight today. The SEC's recent dismissal of cases against Uniswap, Coinbase, and Gemini fuels speculation that the Ripple lawsuit might end, potentially lifting XRP to $3.55 if resolved, though this hinges on summit outcomes and regulatory shifts in the near future. Market data shows XRP's open interest jumping 5.6% per CryptoQuant, yet rising leverage signals volatility risks, with a possible pullback to $2.20 if bearish pressures intensify post-summit without reserve confirmation soon. This uncertainty coincides with Bitcoin's network expansion and a rise in smaller wallets. Yet XRP's reliance on large holder confidence could falter, driving it toward $1.62 if summit talks exclude it from the reserve strategy as feared today. The White House crypto summits focus on Bitcoin's strategic reserve, capitalized with forfeited assets, may overshadow altcoins like XRP, leaving Ripple's $2.50 price at risk of a steep decline unless unexpected policy support emerges this afternoon. Analysts project that a favorable ETF approval could push XRP to $5.81 by year-end. But without reserve backing, the $1.13 target looms large, reflecting a 55% crash potential as the market watches anxiously now. Trump's tariff delay has lifted crypto stocks like MicroStrategy by 12% and Coinbase by 4%. Yet Dogwifhat and other meme coins like WIF face bearish signals, trading at 66 cents, highlighting a fragmented market response to today's events. The broader crypto market cap of $2.88 trillion masks XRP's struggles, as Bitcoin's $91,651 price dominates headlines, potentially sidelining Ripple's reserve hopes as the summit unfolds this morning. Today's XRP outlook hinges on the White House Crypto Summit, where a Bitcoin-only reserve could slash XRP's price from $2.50 to $1.13, a 55% drop if Ripple's inclusion fails to materialize by day's end. While Bitcoin's surge reflects tariff relief and dollar weakness, XRP's bearish head and shoulders pattern signals trouble, with analysts eyeing $1.62 as the next stop unless summit news defies expectations and boosts Ripple significantly today. Markets await clarity on Federal Reserve rate cuts, now at 3 projected for 2025, which could further propel Bitcoin, yet XRP's fate rests on reserve inclusion or SEC relief, with a 55% crash looming if neither materializes in the hours ahead. We'll keep you updated on crypto news today as the summit reveals Trump's crypto vision, so please share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for our next expert analysis on these fast-moving developments impacting XRP and beyond very soon. Thank you for joining us on Crypto News Today for this critical breakdown, and we look forward to delivering more authoritative insights into the crypto market's most pressing moments as they continue to evolve over the coming days and weeks ahead.